Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Packing for a beach day gets easier when you have the right gear to carry everything comfortably. The best foldable wagon for beach trips keeps your towels, coolers, and essentials organized while rolling smoothly over sand, saving effort and more time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SYOCYO Collapsible Foldable Wagon. The SYOCYO Collapsible Foldable Wagon is designed for users who need a strong, spacious, and highly portable utility cart for outdoor activities. With an impressive 570-pound load capacity and a massive 330-liter storage space, this wagon offers approximately 30% more room compared to many wagons in the same price range. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, gardening, or shopping, this wagon provides plenty of space to carry all your essentials in one trip. The quick folding design allows the wagon to collapse in just 2 seconds, reducing its size to 1/6 of its original dimensions, making it extremely easy to store in a car trunk, closet, or garage. Durability is another strong feature of this wagon. The heavy-duty steel frame uses thicker pipes and a multi-point load-bearing design to maintain stability even on rough terrain. Its extra-wide all-terrain wheels glide smoothly over sand, grass, and gravel, while integrated brakes add safety when parked.
Number 2. Originsure 460 lbs Foldable Wagon. The Originsure 460 lbs Foldable Wagon combines portability, durability, and smart design to create a reliable outdoor utility cart. Featuring a generous 7.69 cubic feet or 220-liter storage capacity, this wagon provides ample space for groceries, camping gear, sports equipment, and garden tools. Despite its large capacity, the wagon folds into a compact size that easily fits into a car trunk or storage corner, making it ideal for travel and everyday convenience. Its sturdy all-metal frame supports up to 460 pounds statically and 330 pounds dynamically, ensuring dependable performance even when fully loaded. The wagon is built with double-layer 600D Oxford fabric, which is waterproof, tear-resistant, and designed for long-term durability. Large 7-inch by 4-inch all-terrain wheels with dual bearings allow smooth movement across sand, grass, mud, and uneven surfaces. The 360-degree rotating front wheels provide excellent maneuverability, while built-in brakes enhance safety during transport.
Number 3. HIKEMOON 48-inch Foldable Wagon. The HIKEMOON 48-inch foldable wagon stands out for its extra-large storage space and heavy-duty construction, making it ideal for demanding outdoor use. With a spacious 10.17 cubic feet or 300-liter capacity, this wagon easily accommodates coolers, camping gear, beach equipment, and groceries. Despite its large size, the wagon folds down into a compact form, allowing easy storage in a trunk, closet, or garage. The bottom pull cord enables quick setup and folding within seconds, adding convenience for frequent users. This wagon features a reinforced metal frame capable of supporting up to 560 pounds statically and 440 pounds dynamically, ensuring reliable performance under heavy loads. The tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric is waterproof and easy to clean, enhancing durability. Large 7-inch all-terrain wheels with double bearings provide smooth and quiet movement across sand, grass, gravel, and rough surfaces. The 360-degree swivel wheels and dual front brakes improve control and stability during transport.
Number 4. EAYNON Extended Foldable Wagon. The EAYNON Extended Foldable Wagon offers a strong balance between storage capacity, durability, and portability, making it suitable for beach trips, camping, gardening, and shopping. With a 500-pound weight capacity and 280-liter storage space, this wagon provides significantly more room than standard models. Its extended design makes it easier to carry bulky items such as chairs, coolers, and outdoor gear. Despite its large capacity, the wagon folds down to a compact size, allowing easy storage in a car trunk, garage, or closet. The lightweight folding design also makes it convenient to carry with one hand. Constructed with a heavy-duty carbon steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, this wagon is built for long-term use. The tear-resistant and removable fabric allows easy cleaning after outdoor activities. The all-terrain wheels with 360-degree rotation ensure smooth movement across sand, grass, gravel, and uneven surfaces. Dual-bearing wheel construction improves stability and reduces effort when pulling heavy loads.
Number 5. Sekey Camping Foldable Wagon. The Sekey Camping Foldable Wagon is designed for convenience, portability, and smooth maneuverability. With a sturdy metal frame supporting up to 330 pounds, this wagon provides reliable strength for carrying groceries, camping equipment, or garden tools. The deep and enlarged storage space allows users to carry more items at once, reducing multiple trips. Despite its large capacity, the wagon folds into a compact size of just 1.36 cubic feet, making it one of the easiest wagons to store in tight spaces like car trunks or closets. A carry bag is also included for added portability. The wagon features large 8-inch wheels with wide treads, allowing it to glide smoothly across sand, grass, and rough terrain. Anti-slip rubber strips improve traction and reduce vibration, while built-in brakes provide reliable stopping power. The 360-degree swivel wheels and adjustable handle improve maneuverability and control, making pulling effortless. Additionally, the quick fold design allows setup within seconds without assembly. Choosing the right foldable wagon makes every beach trip smoother, from hauling heavy gear to keeping essentials within reach. Focus on durability, sand-friendly wheels, and easy storage. Pick the one that fits your needs and enjoy a more relaxed, hassle-free day by the shore.